Hey Harry Potter fans, Peter Kenneth here. Welcome back to the Potter Collector channel, where we are a community of collectors. Today we are visiting Weasleys, Wizard Wheezes, in a Diagon Alley shop tour. This is one of the most magical shops in all of Diagon Alley. We know Weasleys, Wizard Wheezes. You can actually walk into it now and purchase some of their joke products. Let's take a look at what they have here in this shop. Wizard cards for $16.95, $14.95 for Chinese fortune sticks. Here's a fun memo cube showing a Diagon Alley on the edges. 600 sheets of post-it notes for $15. Decoy detonators, $18.95. There's a whole wall of Pygmy Puff merchandise. For $35 you can get a Pygmy Puff nightshirt. $34.95 for the giant Pygmy Puffs, both pink and purple. And when I say giant, I mean giant Pygmy Puffs. Also in pink and purple for $18.95 are the more standard size Pygmy Puffs. And they purr for you. And if either one of those Pygmy Puffs is too big, you can get a really small keychain version in both pink and purple. And these are $12. There is a Pygmy Puff robe, $70. And for $26.95, you can get some matching Pygmy Puff slippers. We know that the Weasleys make their own love potion, and you can purchase some right here at Weasleys Wizard Wheezes for $9.95. For $82, you can purchase a love potion purse, and this is made by Danielle Nicole. You can even purchase some Diagon Alley and Weasleys Wizard Wheezes themed stationery pieces. Here's a set of 9 folders for $15. $18 for the journal. A set of pens for $24. Here are some glass magnets, $24. And so that you can store your new pens, here is a pen and pencil holder. An exploding snap game with magical creatures and icons on the cards, $17. $14.95 for egg and spoon race. A metal puzzle for $9.95. You can purchase individual items from the Skiving snack box, like Nosebleed Nugget, $6.95. A jar of You-Know-Poo, the constipation sensation that's gripping the nation. A full Skiving snack box is $39.95. Now they normally sell the other Skiving snack box treats like Fever Fudge and Fainting Fancies, but they are currently out for this video. There's some Weasleys Wizard Wheezes apparel items. $29 for this purple Weasleys shirt, and $38 for this purple and orange shirt. $24.95 for these awesome Weasley foam, or actually stuffed, hands. Now Weasley's is one of 3 shops that are all connected to each other. You can go into Quality Quidditch Supplies over here, or Sugar Plums on this side, which is like a Honeydukes equivalent, but in Diagon Alley. Now when you come into Weasley's, make sure you're looking everywhere. There's stuff above you, multiple floors, so much to look at. You can't go up there, but you can definitely look up there. Here's a really fun Weasley's Wizard Wheezes pin featuring one of the twins for $14. And here is the other twin. Now in addition to looking everywhere on the inside, make sure you check out the outside as well. The walls are decorated beautifully. That is Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. If you'd like to see more Wizarding World of Harry Potter shop tours, check the description down below. I will link them there. If you have any questions about Harry Potter or collecting, feel free to leave a comment down below. You can also join the Potter Collector community on Instagram at The Potter Collector or on Twitter at Potter Collector. Now it's time to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, keep collecting. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, welcome. You can subscribe right up here. You can also look at some previously posted content down here. If you have any questions about Harry Potter books or collecting, please feel free to contact me. I'm always happy to help. But for now, I must go. See you next time.
Whoa, where'd he go?